So guys, this is the Tiger 1200 that I picked up from my close friend. So this is how the bike looks. It's a beautiful bike. Looks very nice. Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel JetTuber. Yes, this is going to be a surprise for you. So I am not on the Interceptor. I am riding a Triumph Tiger 1200 currently. So long story short, yeah, I did pick up this bike at the end of this lockdown, and which was a sudden plan. So today we are doing a short breakfast ride to Kolar, to Woodies and back. Because of the COVID restrictions, we're not able to do long rides yet, but that's what we are going for a short ride today. So looks like this is going to be fun. I love this bike. It's an amazing bike. The feel on this bike is completely different. Shifting from an Interceptor to a Tiger 1200 it's completely different. So come on, let's go and see how this ride is going to be. As you guys know, I've been too busy with work, and I've not done any videos for last almost 3 to 4 months, and plus the COVID, and there was no long rides possible or even short rides. It was kind of a lockdown imposed. So it is completely a lockdown over here in Bangalore, and I was also out of country for some time. So let's start riding again, and the plan is to do some long rides with this bike. Quite some big rides that I have actually planned. So I'm planning to do that as well in some time forward. So now I'm just on the way to Kolar. So I'm going to stop here in some time and wait for Partha. So he'll be joining me, and then from there we both will head together to the meeting point and then join everyone and head to Kolar. So I'm going to wait over here now and wait for Partha. It's a beautiful day, very nice weather. Looks like it's going to be a cool day, and hope it's not going to be hot. So guys, we have just crossed the Hoskote toll and managed to get on the highway. There's too much of traffic even early in the morning because of the COVID restrictions from evening 7 to morning 5. So people need to get out soon and finish their work and come back home soon. So there's a lot of traffic. Even now you can see it's quite a lot of traffic compared to the previous times when we used to do all these rides over here. Yeah, it's kind of crazy. So guys, that's Bambi right in front of me. He's on his BMW GS 850, beautiful bike. So we are all on the road after a very long time. We are doing this trip, short ride, but it's so nice and beautiful to be back on the roads after a long time. So, guys, finally we are here. We have reached foodies now. We're gonna stop here, have a quick breakfast, and then head back to Bangalore. Hope you're gonna have some good breakfast here after a very long time. Excited to eat some good breakfast at Woody's. So, guys, we finished our breakfast and now heading back to Bangalore. There's quite a lot of traffic, but yeah, we are just trying to get through back safely. So nice weather. It's getting hot slowly, and it's more humid than the heat. It's very humid weather. In last 2 3 days, it's been very humid in Bangalore. Guys, we have finally entered Bangalore city. You can see a lot of traffic ahead of us. It's too much of traffic actually. I've never seen so much of traffic here. But now it's like too much of people are on the road. So guys, this is the Tiger 1200 that I picked up from my close friend. So this is how the bike looks. It's a beautiful bike. It looks very nice. So guys, I finally reached home. It was a very good ride, and enjoyed the ride after a very long time. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, share and comment on this video, and stay tuned to my channel JetTuber. I'm going to come up with some more videos on the mods and some more rides coming up very soon. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.